Welcome back everyone. So today we have a video filled of Pixie and Bob haircut transformations. These are going to include looks that go from long to short as well as hair coloring ideas. So the first one, I will be replaying that clip because yeah, this is quite the transformation. So she goes from kind of like a boring blonde and two-toned pixie cut to a screaming hot icy blonde. Loving this look, the makeup, everything, the cut, it is just giving me life right now. Like, she looks unreal, unreal. Super gorgeous. Alright, so moving on to the next hairstylist. So this guy, he is known for some fierce haircuts. Definitely check out his Instagram if you get a chance. In this clip, he is taking a lob and turning it into a pixie cut. The layers, everything, it is perfectly styled, simply flawless. Love this pixie cut. And once again, the makeup is also hot. Alright, so we see him doing another. Actually, this one looks like it's just going to be a bob. But you can tell by his cutting that he is very precise. He's got an angle bob situation going on. And he's also doing side swept bangs. Alright, so here he is doing yet another pixie. Actually, you know what? This is more of a bob, I would say. Undercut bob. Very cute. Bright blonde hair. I love when they show the cutting and it's like super fast. Yes. With the pop of the red nails. Gorgeous. Alright, so next up, we have another hairstylist. He's also incredible. He has amazing work. And he is turning her hair into a bob. And she's got a fresh new look, complete with bangs. This is like the perfect fall hairstyle right here. Blunt bangs and a bob. So fall. Alright, so here we see the same hairstylist. Oh, she's getting a bob. So he's doing an extreme, well, it's not an extreme, but it's definitely a lot of inches gone. Chop, chop, chop. So she already has a pretty hair color. I wonder if she's going to keep it or if she's going to do something else with it. But that's definitely a blunt bob. Her hair is so healthy. Yeah, so since her hair color is already pretty, he just pretty much just did like waves. And now he's just playing with her hair. Love it to the side. Gorgeous. Flawless haircut right there. Flawless bob. Alright, so my guess is she is going to get a bob because she has kind of a round face shape, so I think a bob would look great on her. Let's see what he does here. Yep, so far definitely a bob. Kind of a lob. Long bob. She would look really great with bangs. If she got the blunt bangs, she would look really great with bangs. Oh, okay. So he cut it a little bit more maybe. Or maybe it's the way that he parted and curled it, but it looks shorter. And it's more on the angle, which is great for her face shape. Alright, so she's probably going to get a bob too because I don't think she would look that great with the pixie. I don't know. Alright, so far She's going in with a razor and she's getting the bob, making sure it's even. Yep, that's a bob. Very pretty. All the women in this video all have like super healthy hair, like thick hair, thick healthy hair. The stylist always loves to play with the hair for the video. It's like, okay, we get it. She has great hair. Move on to the next one. Oh my goodness, she's got some super long hair. Okay, what is he gonna do here? Is she gonna get a bob? That is a lot of hair. Alright, so far it looks like a bob. And she's got that shaved side already, so. Yep, she got a bob. It looks like she got highlights too. So she just pretty much went to freshen up her look. So pretty. Love how she can play around with the shaved side, but she can still cover it if she feels the need to. That's a versatile hairstyle. Very pretty. Love. So cute. The highlights are gorgeous too. Alright, so now we are going to see some looks from Ivan. He does a lot of short hair cuts as well. And in this clip we see someone with a Pixie. And she's dyeing it. She's getting some color. So I wonder if she's going to go lighter. Oh, wow, she went lighter. She went way lighter. She went with like a peroxide blonde. Wow. That is definitely a look. Definitely a look. Not a look that many people can pull off, but she's making it work. She's got like some super nice cheekbones too. Alright, so next we're seeing a bob transformation. Doing the undercut. Just cutting it with a razor. Which provides, a lot of layers. Alright, now he's blowing it out. Now she has thin hair. Like most of the people we've seen in this video have very thick hair, but her hair is like, I wouldn't say it's like too thin. I'd say it's like normal. But that's hot. I love that angled bob. That is gorgeous, and that matches her face shape. Like it goes so well with her face shape. Alright, so next we're seeing the older woman getting a shorter dude. Oh, she's doing a Pixie. So he's cleaning it up. Making sure she has a lot of layers. Keeping it longer in the front. Sometimes, honestly, like when I see some of these videos, it's hard to tell if they have a Pixie, if they have a bob. Sometimes it's like a mob where it's like in between a bob and a Pixie. Or what do they call it? A pob? I don't know. I just made that up. Alright, so, oh my gosh. That's quite the transformation. She looks 10 times better. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one.